What's up, dolls? It's your girl, Miss Cowart's Journey, and today I'm showing you my deep condition process after my relaxer. I'm using the Design Essentials Almond and Avocado Moisturizing and Detangler Conditioner, and also using the Restore Vitamin Treatment. Make sure you smash that like, also subscribe, and turn on your notifications to be notified of all my videos. So as you can see, I'm using the conditioner on dry hair. Now I wish I would have used it when my hair was a little bit more wet, just because I feel like I have to use less product, and I feel like my hair absorbs it a lot better than when it's dry. Now for me, the Moisturizing Detangler Conditioner did not allow me to detangle my hair. I don't know, maybe it would have worked better underwater, but when dry, it did not work for me. So here you see me using the comb, wide tooth comb, for a split second. You would not see me use it any other time throughout the video, just because I did not feel like it was detangling my hair like it needed to. I love a detangler that obviously glides through the hair. I do not like to feel like I am breaking my hair. I even tried to use smaller sections. That didn't work either. And then that way I know that my hair strands, each and every one of them, if I can help, is getting the conditioner that it needs. I did sit under my dryer. I used a hot shot tool, in which I sat under there for, I want to say, an hour and a half, just to make sure that it deeply penetrated my hair. If you don't know, the relaxer breaks down the protein, so therefore you have to build the proteins back up, which I use the Design Essential for. Hey dolls, enjoying the video so far? Stay tuned by subscribing to my channel, as well as clicking the notification bell to be notified of all my many videos that I love to post. Make sure you also comment down below on any questions that you may have on any video. Now let's get back to the video. After sitting under the dryer for an hour and a half, I then rinsed my hair out. My hair did feel still a little bit too dry and hard, so I went behind that with my Alpha G Balancing Moisturizer. Okay ladies, so that wraps up my deep conditioning on relaxed hair. Make sure you subscribe, like the video, and also turn on your notification bell. And also comment down below on what you thought about the deep condition process.
The God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, who makes dry bones to rise again. Let there be light and the world begin. Say you can call me. Who gives the back?